Today we're making a large chicken feeder. You're going to start by laying out the holes. Use a 2 3/4 inch hole saw and drill out the holes. Clean up the holes so there's no burrs or shavings left. Make sure you clean up the mess. Use a 2-inch PVC 45 and get however many you want to fit your container. Make sure the curve's pointed down to the bottom. Follow the directions on whatever glue you use. Make sure it's clean before applying the glue. JB Weld plastic bonder worked well for us. Make sure you get it mixed well. Don't go short on the glue. We want this thing to last. Get the cardboard and tape out of there. It worked well, but we don't need it anymore. Good prep work creates a lasting product. We want these to be secured. Only the tops of the insides need to be glued. Let it all cure and enjoy your feeder. Give us a follow for more.